So this past Saturday, we had Earth Hour, and we brought some telescopes out onto the mall, and we got mentioned in the Wildcat. We did get a little piece on it. There's astronomical telescopes available, so we're famous. Jake Turner talking about how we're concerned about having lights be off as well, which is true. So that was a success. It's been coming up. Vail Academy Expo. We need more people signed up for this because it's going to be kind of a big event, and there are going to be a lot of people that are gone. So if you're here the weekend of the 8th, we really need your participation. So I'm going to send around this sign-up sheet, and we would also really like it if you came to the office this Saturday to help build stuff. I mean, not this Saturday, this Friday, to help prepare for what we're going to do.
And for this event, there are going to be 400 students and their families. 2:30 is probably when we're leaving from school. That would probably be fine. 3:30 is when setup starts, and then 4.
Is this the one that's like far?
No, this one's just in Vail, so it's just down I-10 about 10 miles.
Just in Vail.
It's not that far. It's not as far as the other
What
one.
exactly is this expo?
We're basically just showing off our club and showing little elementary school to actually high school.
This is K through 12.
Yeah, this is K through 12, and we're just showing them our stuff and showing off. Astronomy is cool.
We have like solar telescopes.
We're not sure if it's inside or outside, so we're probably just going to have indoor activities. But the actual event runs from 4:30 to 7:30, but our
Involvement.
time involvement is 2:30.
And I spoke just a second about how we're going to meet in the office. And aside about the office, there's candy in there, so if you want to, I know I talked earlier in the semester, if you want to come and hang out in the Astronomy Club office, it's a cool place to be, and now it's even cooler because it has candy in it. We have Tootsie Rolls and Now and Laters currently. We had chocolate last session.
Now we have jars, so jars make things spiffy looking.
It's fun. It's pretty. And now what I mentioned, the Estes Elementary School kind of career fair. Yeah. Online and we do career fair. I think this would be a great opportunity to show off the club to little kids and get them interested in science, especially on a day where they're specifically thinking about what they want to do when they grow up. But it is a little bit farther away. It is a time commitment in the morning on a weekday that we normally have classes, so I'm going to send around the sign-up sheet again, and I'm going to send out an email, but there's still some time that we can back out and say we don't have enough numbers. So if I'm not able to get a commitment, I can still back out, but I think it would be a great opportunity to show off the club on a day specifically when kids are thinking about their futures. Yes. Good. No time is too early. Lighter notes. Spino Canyon Star Party this weekend. It's the first weekend of every month. this Saturday. We're meeting in the parking lot, 4:30. Normal deal. Lots of fun. And last month we had like a swarm of little kids and only 3 people to defend our telescope, so it was pretty rough, so we would love more people to come. Just wanted to mention we've got all our projects going on. Specifically because of the Extra Solar Planet Mod project, we've got light curves now, so it's really moving along. Hooray! And so this is the project that Jake will be presenting at AAS. We're sending myself, Kevin, and Jake are going to AAS this May, and like I said, Jake is presenting the Extra Solar Planet project, and we are looking for funding if anybody has any ideas. We're considering doing a bake sale, anything. Oh, really?
People pay you to stop.
Okay. I don't know.
We're thinking about doing a bake sale just internal to Steward, because if everybody in Steward gave us $1, we'd have like $300. So we're going to try to guilt trip people in Steward, but we might also have one on the mall, just for other people's money too.
Because
But we'll have to advertise very well for this, because usually for these type of things, they're like, oh, I didn't bring my wallet. It's like living matters. So if we advertise well in advance, we might be able to get
and
some
we
money.
did get, I think I told you guys last time that we did get registration fees covered by ASUA. That's $400. And we might get some money from the astronomy board here, but we still have $3,000 to cover for this. Boston is really expensive. So, and this is a picture that Jake took at the fall AAS. Yeah.
Looks like sand on a beach.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Astronomy question of the week. Every Friday, exciting stuff.
Last Friday's was really cool.
Shirts. We have shirts that are left over from last semester, and if you want to buy one, and if you have ordered one and haven't picked it up, please pick it up. We have extras that are just laying around there. But if you want to buy a shirt like Camber is wearing, or like Kevin and Carmen are wearing there, they're awesome. One last thing, Michelle Cormier, the person at the front desk, is working with her cousin, I think her brother was working for the Relay for Life, and she was wondering if we had anything to offer for like a raffle where they could raffle off some cool astronomy thing as part of getting money for cancer. Not for cancer, but to cure cancer. So if you have any ideas, whatever.
That was Tim's idea to like
do a raffle off a star party.
But I don't know if people would be excited about that.
Yeah.
Star party with your phone.
You could buy a private star party or something like that.
Hype it up, as opposed to.
Like all this money is up for it.
Yeah.
I think someone might want to buy a private star party.
Yeah, our only other idea was like buy a little model rocket kit thing put that in the prize basket. But if we held a star party, that would cost less, probably.
Yes.
Except time is money.
And originally, if you look on the calendar, next week I had scheduled a grad student to speak about her research. Unfortunately, she is sick, so that will be postponed. Megan, yes. Megan Ryder. That was unfortunate. But sticking out in the light during the other day. That's cool. That's it.